Choosing the right solution for your business can feel overwhelming. So many options, each claiming to be the one. But how do you ensure you're making the right choice? In this video, we'll break down solution assessment and validation, a process that helps you confidently evaluate options, prioritize requirements, and validate your final decision. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to choosing the best fit for your business. Let's get started. First, let's talk about evaluating potential solutions. Rather than focusing only on features, start by assessing key factors like ease of use, cost, scalability, and integration with your existing systems. For example, say you're choosing a customer relationship management or CRM system. A feature-packed CRM might sound appealing, but if your team struggles to use it, productivity could suffer. On the other hand, a simpler, user-friendly CRM could lead to better adoption and efficiency. To make this process more objective, businesses often use a decision matrix. You assign weights to each criterion, let's say ease of use 40%, cost 30% and integration capabilities 30%, then score each solution. The one with the highest score emerges as your top contender. Not all features are equally important. This is where the MoSCoW method helps, categorizing features as must-have, should-have, could-have, and won't-have. For instance, if you're selecting a CRM, security and ease of use might be a must-haves. Customizable reports could be a should-have, important but not deal-breakers. AI-driven customer insights might be a could-have, useful but not essential right now. And multi-language support. If your business operates in just one language, it falls under won't-have category. Prioritizing this way prevents unnecessary spending and ensures you focus on what truly matters. Even after shortlisting a solution, don't commit just yet. Validate it through pilot testing, stakeholder feedback, and cost-benefit analysis. For example, after selecting a CRM, you run a small pilot test with your sales team. If they report that it's user-friendly but lacks strong analytics, you might explore add-ons or reconsider other shortlisted options. Cost-benefit analysis is also key. If the CRM improves workflow efficiency and increases revenue by 20%, the investment makes sense. But if customization costs outweigh the benefits, it may not be the right choice. And that's how you assess and validate solutions. By carefully evaluating your options, prioritizing what truly matters, and validating through real-world testing, you can make an informed decision that benefits your business. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights. And here's a question for you. What's your number one must-have when choosing a business solution? Let's discuss in the comments.